In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search on Google Sites. Whether you're looking to find specific content on a Google site you're visiting or managing, knowing how to effectively navigate and search is key. So let's dive straight in and make your Google Sites experience smoother and more efficient. First things first, we need to access Google Sites. To do this, open up your favorite web browser and head over to the Google Sites homepage. If you're not already signed in, you'll notice a sign in button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Once you've keyed that in, click next, then proceed to enter your password. After you've filled in your credentials, hit the sign in button to access your Google Sites dashboard. Once you're signed in, you're going to want to navigate directly to the Google Sites main page if you aren't automatically redirected there. This page is where all your site management starts, but today our focus is on searching within a site. After you're on the main page, you'll need to locate the specific site you want to search. If you have multiple sites, they'll all be listed here. Scroll through the list or use the available search options to find the site you're interested in. Once you've located your site, it's time to go one step further. Next, click on your chosen site to open it. Look around for an option that says View Published Site. This can usually be found in a drop-down menu or similar interface element. This option allows you to view your site as it appears to visitors, which is essential for accurately testing out the search feature. Now, with the site open in its published view, it's time to actually perform a search. On the upper right corner of your site's page, there should be a magnifying glass icon. This is universally recognized as the search icon, so it shouldnessly indicates where you need to click to start searching. Go ahead and click on that magnifying glass to bring up the search bar. In the search bar that appears, type in whatever term or phrase you're searching for on the site. This could be the title of a particular page, post, or any specific content you remember reading previously. As you type, you might see suggestions pop up. These can be helpful if you're not quite sure of the exact terms you're looking for. And that's all there is to it. Searching on Google Sites is a straightforward process, but knowing these steps can save you time and hassle, especially when you're in need of finding specific information quickly. Remember, the effectiveness of your search results heavily depends on how well the site's content is organized and labeled, so keep that in mind if you're managing your own Google site. So whether you're sifting through a Google site for research, work, or just out of curiosity, knowing how to navigate and search efficiently can greatly enhance your experience. Bookmark this guide for future reference, and you'll be a Google Sites searching pro in no time.